Hello guys, welcome to Tech with Jazz. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up Adobe Premiere Pro. Even your computer is dead slow, by these settings you can get a better performance in the Premiere Pro. Just follow my steps. Okay, let's start new project. In general, set the renderer to software only. In the ingest settings, we want to ingest the proxies. Okay, now set the presets to lower resolution for better performance. Now click OK. The proxies are nothing but it converts to another format which the Premiere Pro could process and understand quicker. As we drag a video to the workspace, the encoder encodes the video to that cinematic format. Please set the renderer to software only in media encoder. Okay, now we want to deselect some of the settings. Please follow my steps. First, we want to deselect show duplicate frame markers. Uncheck the high quality playback and save margins. And now we want to uncheck the autosave feature. Go to edit preferences and uncheck the automatically save projects. So be careful to save now and then. Now we want to change the directory of media cache files. The reason to change the directory is while we're working in a project, the Premiere Pro has more jobs to do. So to make it free, we want to change the directory so that it can do efficiently. So now give maximum memory to Premiere Pro so that it can do well. Now I'm gonna add some effects to the clips to see how the settings works. Guys, I want to say you something. Please render the effects time to time for faster export time. You can add the toggle menu and effects menu from the plus icon. While editing, you can turn off the effects by switching the effects menu. And also you can toggle between the media codec and your original codec. You can also see the clip properties by clicking the preview area in the project panel. The sequence settings. You want to set the settings as per the source settings. Now uncheck the composite in linear color, which requires the GPU acceleration, and this may lead to somewhat laggy. So as I do, now you can see how the settings works. As you can see, when I switch off the toggle proxies icon, you can see that how lags it is, and it's very difficult in editing. Now you can see it's buttery smooth. If you feel this video is useful for you, consider subscribing and do share your video to your friends.